to send
Yeah,
them.
he told me I must arrange the deliveries.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
you need to give me the school names and the address.
Absolutely. Yes.
So I can do the...
Yes.
Alright, these are the shoes.
Oh, for ladies.
For
Wow.
ladies, yeah.
Ah, bagithi. Oh, chalala. Oh. Oh no, thank you.
Alright.
Thank you. All of these are shoes.
All
and
these are the shoes.
Okay. Where are the stationaries?
I'll show you now. Norman, where you got the stationery packs? This one, eh? Where? All this is the stationery packs. I'll just open one pack and I'll show you.
Okay. All these 2,000 packs.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Right. This is the stationery packs.
Yes. Pack ngayinye, they've donated 2,000 packs. Palm stationery ela Phoenix saqala nabo silwela amalunga nabasebenzi, and some of them they were no longer employed here, and because of our intervention they've reinstalled those. We had an agreement with them last year. 15 of them they have been reinstated, and kwaphinde kwaqashwa nabanye abangamagwala abangaphakathi. In total bazoba 45.
Yes, correct.
Yes. 45 abazobe beqashwa bese kuthi laba abanye abasele abawu 15 ngoMashi nabo bazokwazi ukuthi baphinde babuyele emsebenzini ngoba babe u30 in total. So what is important here, because now we have created, because we were not just here to fight or to create commodity for nothing, but it's just we were fighting for the justice, and they've understood that the right of employees need to be protected, and also they humbled themselves in a manner that they also wanted to contribute to the entire Pingwa Nation. As a president of the Pingwa Nation, and I welcome the donation from Palm Stationery, based here in Besta, Phoenix, so that all 11th Street, I said it clear that all 11th Street need to have a donation from the president of the Pingwa Nation. I will simplify everything. I will donate according to, I will phone each and every district mayor of here KwaZulu-Natal, and to get a database of those students that are suffering, that can't afford shoes, that can't afford a stationery, and then I will go myself with their assistance as well, because they are doing it this year, and even next year they will be doing it, because now we are one family. So, and I will be donating to those people, and I will also not gonna leave out the people that are the parents that were retrenched in some companies. So they must have also some donations so that they can help their own kids as well. Thank you very much, Mr. Levine.
Thank you.
We really appreciate. Maybe you can have the words about our relationship and our journey, and that we want to appreciate 1,000 packs of shoes and 2,000 packs of stationery.
Okay, we are very happy to do this, to be part of helping the poor community in getting shoes and stationery packs for the kids, and hopefully we can continue this relationship going forward.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We really honor, and thank you to you, and thank you to Mr. Kalm and the entire board of the company. We promise that all is in good hands, and we will make sure that the people of KwaZulu-Natal in all 11th Street get some help, because there are many of them. But as you know, charity begins at home.
Correct.
I'm going to start in my own land where I come from, Nkandla.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. nazi phela ngathi ngiyibambile nje nali ibhokisi buka nje nazi lama-pilot wonke lawo nje aweyicathulo bese kuthi lapha stationary lesisu 2000 yes can I open sibatala phela baze bagoba hayi bafana agobile manje bukani ya ziyadla iy'ngane emakhaya saqala silwa sasadutshulwa and then all the distribution we're going to start them on Monday.
On Monday, correct.
On Monday, yes, all
distribution.
Yes, I will have all the date times and
the quantities to each,
and the quantity to each schools,
yes.
all 11 districts. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right.
Buka ingane ifunda iziqike lapha ingane. Buka kona uthi ukhaya ayikho into engekho. Yabo, nepisting inini lo kuthiwa lokho kuthi lo paste. Blue taste lokho kuthiwa ixi ngathi roll on bese kunamba. Akudlalwa manje.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay.
Hayi, kunjalo baba.
Iposi ethi khona iyo le.
Ikuphi ila?
Now like it.
Oh, banendawo eziningi.
I-office yabo iyaphuma.
Bafike bona.
Nali office yabo.
Ungenwa ngaphi la?
Nali
Yes. How are you, sir? Yes. How are you? Ijan Poet. Score. Baba, mana baba phela basebenza ufuna abawuthiwa aba representative. Manini abawuthiwa aba representative. Abawuthiwa aba representative. Abangene la. Bapha aba representative libona ukujabula into yethu ifile. Baba, ubani wena ukuyona umphathi wena? Lo balo. Okay. Yes, how are you, sir?
Yes. From where
no, okay. I think we spoke last time when I was here.
I'm from Syndicate Transport. I'm not from anywhere else.
Bangala.
Okay, we can call him. But you need to tell me where you're from, what you're doing. You're in my office.
No.
You could be attacking me. I'm not.
No. We never attack.
My life is a danger.
No, there's no danger. There's absolutely no. Don't worry, my friend. Don't worry. But no, not all. Bakile.
Bakhona bazikhiya
You're all wait outside. I will call him.
Okay, call him. Okay.
you don't scream at me.
I'll wait outside. I will ask him.
One way.
Okay, you're gonna call them. No. Can you call them because they know the story? We came here and then
You just invaded my office.
No, you're not.
Yes, you did. No one knocked on the door. No one asked me permission to come inside.
Why you so angry, but you never heard why you are here. Just be angry and chase us away.
I told you to wait outside. I will call them. I will assist you all. I never said nothing.
Okay, please assist us.
I
Call
will
them.
assist you all. You all can't be standing on top of my head. I've got work to do.
No, we understand on top of your head. There's an answer.
outside. We won't stand.
Bob,
kumele bavule.
ngibabonile mina ubalo sithele mfowethu lo mina
bangaphakathi.
Bangala.
awubabizi
Because nale umuntu osazwendiye bana ngaphakathi bavalile.
Badlala ngathi.
Badlala ngathi 6 weeks kele emakhaya.
6 man. Kanti sufuna namhlanje lo 6 weeks.
Balo 5 weeks abazangasiniki.
Abasinika ngalutho akaze kwenzeke lutho.
and umama lo usebenze 32 years kule company now 32 years
Asinikezanga
From
lutho,
1992
6 weeks manje,
usebenza.
sihlele emakhaya sikaze asinakudla. Uyivalile kampani.
ivaliwe ikhampani manje ke bavuma ukuthi ayivalwe ikhampani ngoba bese qashe abakwelekwele emveni kwalokho base bethi cha ke bacela ungokwabo sebahlulwa yilokho ke manje
Banike imali yabo. Sesihlale from start December last year December.
Sagcina ngomhla 3 December ukusebenza.
Hello.
Bayajwayela. Bavalile manje ngithi bayakwazi ukukhuluma bavule le office.
I know this is bad.
No.
Is my essay card is already waiting for you.
and I came here and spoke to them and spoke to the owner and I spoke to the supervisor and I spoke to the person that is in charge with the operation of the company. And then they all promised that on Thursday last week they're gonna make sure that they fill all the
Tell me
papers.
who you are and where you're from and what you came.
I am the president of the Bengal Nation. I'm in charge of yourself as well.
Hello.
Uyini lona?
Lo uwin-charge kwama-truck abantu esibafuna
Kodwa
Manje yini team asingene lapho?
ikhona ikakaphumi siyibonile ifika ngemoto.
Ayikho security yala izosisiza.
Ingakubi.
Shini ongasiza ngoba iwona
Ba yabo mangasabiza amaphoyisa bazophuma lapha because lento abayenza bakhombisa
Kulungile,
ubugebengu. Bakhombisa ubugebengu.
bayadelela
Bakhombisa ubugebengu loba benzayo.
5 weeks wethu okwakufanele ulo ukuba umkhundo washo ukuthi abasifakele u5 weeks wabatshela bavuma namanje akwaze bawufake isonto la 6 manje leli sihlele asinalutho abakaze basifakele suwela ngoJanuary asisebenzi uFebruary manje isonto la 6 manje asisebenza asinalutho
Bavale ngongekho umthethweni phela mabevalela ukuthi baphulele umthetho kukhomba ukuthi
And okuwes into abayenzile benze kanje. Ikhampani iqale ubhobhi. Emveni kwalokho bashintsha. Abangayenze lento ethi handover. Yokuthi when the company changes name and they hand over all the benefits of the past to a new entity. Bakufoma usiyakhula. Lo siyakhula lo iwona ke manje ke owangamele yonke lento lento. Usiyavala lo siyakhula. Kodwa imali yo 32 years yo 10 years, 8 years, 15 years bethunga akaze bethole lutho.
kwazoba imali ye-COVID-19 wasinikeza ngesikhathi se-COVID sathi sibuya isimo sesibuyile esimeni sesizosebenza isonto lokuqala wasitshela ukuthi imali engingenele ye-COVID-19 ibiphuma ephaketheni lami so leyo mali ngizoyithatha ibuye kumina yonke and wayenza leyo nto wasiphuca yonke
Wabavolunteers abasebenza unpaid ngenxa yokuthi wathi umusa lo we-COVID-19 kanti uthi uyena uklema imali kuhulumeni.
thina singazi ukuthi imali iphuma ku-government wathi iphuma kuyena
Yabona nje
leyo mali siyayidinga futhi
semanyaleni nje.
wasa singazi lutho thina wasenzela ubugebengu
unikolota imali eningeka ngayo. Nibhala malini ngelanga.
mina nje ngibhala imali encane kabi kodwa kade ngafika ngifike ngo-2014 September 14 ngibhala u-130
Wenzani?
ngiyi-7 nje ngiyenza nje okuningi
Bavela lapho ukuthi oh yibo laba lapho ukuthi
Lo sizokhuluma naye lo zokuthengisa lapha.
baku
nange
Nango wakho lo ukhuluma la.
yeah and oh yeah please okay okay mana uthi angene mina ngedwa asangifuna umuzwa Ngoma nomntwana yedwa wena khujani ukhamba Oyedwa abasebenzi.
Hi, come to
No.
only you.
Yeah, and then maybe one employee.
Oh, yeah, one employee. You
Yes,
choose which
one employee. So, thank you, brother. Thank you. We are not fighting. Don't worry. Babu, Nijan. Kamba kahle. Awena ngizana mskipa phela sibomvu.
Asayithatha naleziki. Asayithatha.
Ezani. Awasipoxa nani kanina kanenkinga. Fast.
Our president.
Yini labanifona uduka nje na yena. Hayi ngiyaphetha. Hayi ngiyaphetha. Hayi niphetha lokwangempela futhi.
Hayi siyakholelwa kuwena.
Ayi hawo nifona non stop. Into esikhulumayo la babakholwa dadewethu besingene nawo. Yabo. Baphetha ngokuthi banganilalele benze bedinge ukuthi si-intervene, understand? And i-wrong leyo nto leyo. And mina uma ngabe ngingena entweni angingeni ngiphinde ngihlehle, yabo. So manje-ke i-wrong lento abayenzayo. Bayavuma ukuthi kunama-challenges ukuthi bayilokhushe ikampani bayivuselele. Kodwa into ebalulekile abazoyenza eyokuthi next week Friday each and every worker lo kade sebenza kule nkampani khona imali abazoyithola. Yabona njengamanje basebenza leyo schedule loba mina bengithi at least ngoba ku January enibuyisela ingane esikoleni fanele kube khona imali abanikhokhela yona ngoba isethembiso lesabasenzayo sokuthi bazoyivusa inkampani ngoJanuary. Ngithi yabona. So manje mabehlula kwenza lesithembisho akube khona isinxiphezelo abanikeza sona bathe bazoyikhokha leyo mali next week Friday base bethi umuntu nomuntu ngokweminyaka yakhe kusukela ku32 years kamama yabona asebenza kona ukuthi isikhala eside leso uxhashazwa amakula emveni kwalokho kusukela ku32 years kuze kuzofika ko8 years 15 years 20 years nonke yabona bazosebenzisa umthetho owanina we-retrenchments yokuthi uma usebenza iminyaka emingaka uthola imali engaka makathi uyitoho kuba imali engaka makathi upermanent kuba kanje. So zonke lezo bese kuba nama-claims eniwenza kwa-labor niyezwa bafowethu kodwa next week Friday niyahola siyosa. Leyo-ke ngithe kubo mina njengamanje bathi baqoqa into zama-forms yabo nje basebeka nje manje yabo nje basebanje sebethambileke sebeyalunga into ezokwenzeka ngithe mina kinina kale ngitshena lo sisi ukolose sesingene nalo bengingamazi nangu yana into eyenzeke ngifuna ngisibele umhlangano nikwazi ukuyipresenta kahle kumina lento yama categorization yokuthi nibangaka nisebenza iminyaka emingaka kanje once na explain leyo nto leyo bese kubonakala ukuthi ngoba udadewethu nangu angikhohlwa phela mina ngikhuluma into engiyaziyo nangu wathi aniyitholanga nonke imali ye-COVID-19 yabona. So bese bangaka abayithola imali ye-COVID-19 bangaka yabuyiselwe emuva imali ye-COVID-19 ebeqhashazwa ekuthenini abasebenzele isikweletu. So and then emveni kwalokho what we gonna do is simple ukuthi mase sihlanganile nani nangichazela yonke into yenu emveni kwalokho sobuyela ekuthenini ke ngifuna ukuba khona ngalesikhathi senizosayina ama-forms nama-contracts yabona. Once ngaba khona ke lapho ke umshubo ke ekuthenini ke bese si-addressa le COVID-19 so i-addressa the day ni sign ama-retrenchment forms ahambisana nale number kuyona uthe nibu 60 something uthe staff sakhe su 60 something usho kanjalo. Mina ngikhuluma into ayishila ngithi bewubukhona okwenuke lokho shuthi ke thina akasihleleni ukuhlangana ke
I-notice paper kanti yena itholakala makunjani?
yini lokho
Phela kuthiwa lokhu makuthiwa inkampani.
thiwa wena mama wena kwaqasha umuntu lapha mama wena wasala ingane naye waphinde waqasha omunye ngazi wazala nobani Two they are making babies. I get manini kushuthi manini ke no yenzani i-consideration yabona ngoba ukuhlanganela ukuthi nje ningibuke akuze kungisiza akube ne-document proper yokuthi senikwenzile ukuthi seniyayazi iminyaka yenu nako yonke niyazazi mangaki isibalo senu bese nihlangana nami ke ninginike leso sibalo leso then mina ke bese ngiya-elaborate lento lokuthi ke okay kwenzeka kanje bangaki abathola imali ye-COVID-19 lena eyaphinde itshontsho futhi ibona la amakhula lawo then ke mina I'll deal with them. Thank you. Yebo nganza kwethu. Yeah. Asekuyililanga baconfirmile umhlangano uzoba manje ngo1. Ngaphekwa lokho ukuthi ke ngicabanga ukuthi nikhethane ke abazoba ama representative abanye ke noma ikhona indawo ukulinda lapha yabona. Mhlambe ikhona lapha eduzane kwasefemini ngoba izihlanhla zikho lapha. Yashisa. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi nibe seduzane ngesikwazi ukulishiyana hayi sizolokhu njalo lapha khethana bangaba nibakhethile sizoshona kuphi she nganza kwethu ladies and gentlemen siyabonga kakhulu kwabaka Bigvest sinobaba executive officer ka Bigvest in South Africa ubaba uSipho Mawela ukhona phakathi kwethu umphathi jikelele kwinkampani yakwa Bigvest so uba khona kwakhe phakathi kwethu ukhamuka ekuthenini kube nezikhalo zabasebenzi about 53 if not more and abakwazi ukuthi be reach out to Tina as a community based organization that's helping people when become the third party mangabe kukhona ama challenges ahlanganisa ke uLabor inyunyana ecompany and nama labor brokers leyo nto ke yenzekile ke ekuthenini ke safika la ekhaya abasebenzi bakhala kumina njengo president uMabhinci ngafika futhi la ekhaya ngolesihlanu ngamukeleka kahle ukukhona umfoko kaNxumalo ongimukela washo ukuthi una 3 months efikile la washo abaphathi bakhona abanye abasephomini kodwa ke basebethi ke ba propose ukuthi kube lomhlangano on Saturday and into enzeka I immediately receive a text and the phone call from ubaba eke uSipho Mawela eshoyo ukuthi ucela ukuthi kube namhlanje ngolesini so kwazi ukuthi still nalolu daba based on my agents based ifuno zabasebenzi because I took him through that what the employers the employers are crying about into enzeka ke ukuthi ke namhlanje sifikeleke emakufika kwethu samukeleka kahle sahlangana nabo and bahlanganele ne-agent yabo nenkinga zabo babona ukuthi bayixazulula kanjani base besilalela thina njengama representer abasebenzi baphinde balalela nabasebenzi baqhamuka nezinqumo ezinqala and into engiyithandile kakhulu ngiyaqala ukubona a biggest company like Bigvest because the most companies are bad mouth out there and when they're bad mouth, sometimes it's based on true reflection, and some is based on misconceptions and misrepresentation, and some companies are bad mouth through politics and political heads interventions. But today I'm experiencing something different, where management yakwapit vets ikwazi kusuka egoli izosilalela iphinde futhi ixazulule inkinga zabasebenzi with immediate effect. And I would like to thank you, my brother, and with your team, with your management, and with the management of the PitVet here in Phoenix, and for a warm welcome and understanding us. I know that some of your problems are between you and your agent, but you have taken a stand to make sure that you resolve such matters. Thank you very much, Baba Mawela. We really appreciate.
Thank you for it.
We really appreciate. And can you may elaborate the meeting as Benayo, so that our community and wherever we get involved, they know exactly that what we are representing. And me, as well as I'm Khanya. And was ulekelela abantu ngendlela lenzayo. But Mawela, I'm highly impressed. What I tell you, that's an abal. So we're calling.
No, ngiyabonga mkhulu, ngibonga inhlonipho mfethu, ngibongele Macingwane neteam yakho. Bemhlangano lomuhle namhlanje. Ngibonga ukuthi ukhonile uncede umphakathi. Ude utoba raise that khalotabo. It's a responsibility PitVest yokuthi si elevate poverty la sikhona khona. Uma kunzima emphakathini singenelela. Senze izinto eziningi kakhulu. Angeke uzuqede nokuzibala. Senze izinto ezinhle, senza ama-bursaries, senza zonke lezi zinto ezisiza umphakathi. So ku-important lo ukuthi lo wenzile ukuthi uze nala ekhaya utozivusela, and you are very welcome to us now. Pasinankinga. Inkinga nabasebenzi they are free. Asina trouble yalutho. If unenkinga nemabhoda ayagumlana ngithi emhlabeni. So uma ngabe kunalo okunye lokurong sikhona ukulungisa kahle, and kude nje problem lekhona. Ngibonge kakhulu bafethu. Danke kakhulu.
Sisabonga kakhulu. And so kwazi baba ukuthi ke siphinde sikhazele nabasebenzi about outcomes of our meetings.
Yes.
And what is very gratifying that all process start as from tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you Mfokaba.
Thank you.
Sharp. Ngibongele Macingwane.
So ndala sipirifane nganza wethu. Fusekani na wopopopo. Ukubalekile lapha ke ukuqala nje ngizokusho ngicela nami ukubonga nina esibindene nibe naso sokwazi ukuthi nisukume nithi look beyond measures ukuthi nikwazi ukuthi inkinga zenu ezisolveke. Lokho it take a very courageous employee ukuthi ikwazi ukulwela amalungelo ayo. Akubona bonke abantu abakuyi workplace abakwazi ukulwela amalungelo abo. Lokho enikwenzile kube into enkulu kakhulu. Abanye abantu bambungela ukuxhashazwa. Yabona nje kade sisuka la ngithi ngizodlulela kwenye family la. Kunomama la na isport esihlangana kuso lesi. Laba la sebenze 32 years. Amakula ayadelela lapha awafunda imali yabo athi ifema ivala kodwa afuna ukubachaphaza yabo. So into ebalulekile ke eyokuthi ukuhlangana kanje kwenu nikwazi ukubuka ngehlo elilodwa, nikwazi ukubuka ngendlela yokuthi nikwazi ukuthi nilwela amalungelo enu. Lokhu ngiyancoma kakhulu, ngicela nishaye idlala kuloko. Ngaphe kwalokho saya ngoLwesihlanu basihloniphe bathi asize ngekusasa Saturday. Ngithe ngisendleleni kwafona uCEO uManqinqiza we-Bidvest in South Africa yabo, hayi la kwaZulu in South Africa. Wayesethi cha uyayihlonipha into esiyenzayo nengiyenzayo kulwela umphakathi, kodwa akafuni ukufika ixazululo engenazo. Ngoba kusasa manje ngahlangana uyazi bese sivumelene, mase ngahlangana kusasa sizohlangana kodwa bese kuthiwa kulinde ubani uze ne-management yonke ye-HR in Johannesburg ne-management yonke ye-operation, bese kuzoba nabaphathi bonke jikelele abaphethe laba nisebenza khona yabona. So wayeselanda i-agent le okuthiwe le agent bese uxatshenwe nayo yayizwa lona ukuthi i-agent isile nalesile akusakhulumeki nayo. Wayilanda i-agent wakhuluma nayo njengoba kudile umhlangano wethu nje ka1 udile iso ukuthi basakhuluma ne-agent sangena-ke othethe wethu nabafowethu bebekhona, kodwa-ke ngokwe-analyst yami nangokwe-elaboration yami in terms of ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngichaze izinto in summary yabo, sawina abafana sawina. Ekuwineni kwethu kusukela kusasa, starting from tomorrow imali zenu ziyaprocesswa ziyakhona. Mina inkampani efana no-Bidvest, inkampani ezikuma-ranking ahlonishwayo in South Africa. They are the most respected companies, and sometimes they don't just meet anyone at anyhow, but ukuthi bakwazi ukuhlangana nathi lokho ngicela nibashele ihlombe. And ngaphekwa lokho ukuhlanganeni kwethu nabo bephinde futhi betshengisa ukhona uDade wethu uDade wethu Sodela nami uDade wethu uDade wethu la ebagrila ngomthetho wokusebenza in the workplace. Baveza umlando wabo ekuthenini cha bona uma inkampani engacomply nomthetho ayikwazi ukuba i-contractor noma ibe nebusiness no-Bidvest at all. Baphinde baprove ngalokho next week bayabuya bathi kusukela kusasa imali zenu ziyakhokhwa, and then ngaphezulu kokukhokhela kwemali zenu nemali zenu zama-leave lawo ningawathathanga nisebenza unyaka wonke zizokhokhwa. Ngaphezu kwemali zama-leave enizokhokhelwa zona nemali zenu enidingayo kusukela kusasa futhi mina ngokubuka kwami noma bona bebengafuni ukuvuma isishiphelele lapha nale agent kumanje basazama indaba ye-agent entsha bathe bona-ke bamisa i-management yala ukuthi ingabe iqhubeke iqashe, kodwa ayiqashe abantu nina yenzani ilisti yokuthi ubani wafika ngeminyaka engukuthi engaka, ngoba abafowethu abenibathumile nodadewethu banimele ngeqiniso lonke bafowethu. Bakwazile ukuthi belandele ukuthi njengoba bona bekukhwile benje basazoqashwa so manje basebethi abaphathi nabo bangabantu bayihlonipha into esiyenzayo ukulwela amalungelo abasebenzi abamalunga omphakathi bayihlonipha kakhulu leyo engaphekwa lokho basebethi cha bamisa ukuqashwa lapha kuzothi mangabe kuvuleka ikhala ngoba inkampani zithi kanje zinenkinkanyana kodwa bathi kuvuleka ikhala lapha bese becela ilist kunina bese bethi ama representatives enu abasho ukuthi kungena ubani yabona mazi ikhala zo5 ngena abantu abawu5 abazoqashwa inina mangena abawu20 bazoqashwa inina until uzophelele wonke lo 53 eniwona kodwa ke kuthenga sekugcineni ngase ngibabufunda ingqondo ngababona abantu bahambisana nathi bangakuthini ngathi mina uma ngabe kukhona abathi bona hayi thina sebasha we can relocate mangabe kunama poster ama vacancies avulekile eJohannesburg noma ePitvates eMpumalanga noma kwenyewhere bakhona labafuna ukuthi ba relocate bahambe usebenza lapha bondla ingane zabo bajabula bashaya ihlobo hawo so ke manje ke guys you got the job it's either you wait for this process and work la basebe shathena makwelekwele la bolungele belokhunje kodwa whom are willing to relocate by next week bazobuya basinikeze ireport ukuthi kuma kanjani nani hambani ihlele ngobude beni kulo 53 mingaki iminyaka sebenze kanjani ithini contract yakho yonke leyo list bazoyihlonipha leyo list bazokwenza isiqiniseko bazo engage nami benze isiqiniseko sokuthi niyabuyela emsebenzini abathi bona banga relocate acela le relocation kule list abayikhulumile abhala umuntu eceleni ukuthi mina I don't have a problem of relocating. I can go and work in Johannesburg. I can go and work in Cape Town. I can go and work in Mpumalanga. Ukuze kuyo yonke le 53 ekhona senze isiqiniseko sokuthi once na involve ungizwe phelile niyambuyela emsebenzini. Manini balekile ukuthi ababili bakwazi ukukhuluma ebese nabo ngoba ipolitiki leyenza ukuthi abantu egcine hawu amabela nje icaciwe futhi walala nawo sawumtholo mina
hayi sambe kahle guys siyabonga kakhulu kuchunu siyabonga kakhulu ngendlela asisebenzele ngakhona ngiswela imlomo yokubonga ngendlela esimanga basihlonipha ngaphakathi ecompany neoffice basihlonipha ngalendlela esimangaliso akukho nje lapho kuthiwa sike saba khona nenkinga siyabonga kakhulu chunu ngicela okwenze kuthini ukwenze nawo abanye siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu akubusise yebo siyabonga
kodwa umfile umphathi ushile
yebo
ukuthi ucela ukuthi sola kusasa makuqinqi uthi
yebo sitshele ikhulu
ngenitshene ngeke uthe umphathi ngeke bamnimtshele nami vele ngeke
Wenzelani kumphathi wasegoli lokho ukuthi azi ukuthi imali ingenile wenzela ukuthi aphinde adile nabo aba-Bidvest ngoba basazophinde bebe abaka-Strato ngoba basazoba ne-meeting nabo befuna ukubona ukuthi yonke into yenzeke ngendlela e-right yini akukho yini ukurobheka sizorobheka yini
sizomreportela ukuthula ukuthi kuhamba
yebo
cha mina ngiyobona ngelocation yeshisa nyama
so yenza ilist yethu kahle be-right bese siyisendela kumchulu
ake niyenze nibe professional niyibhale ngekhompyutha bese niyisenda
ibe right ibe PDF
3 employees how many years sibambane ngisebenza iminyaka mingaki sibambane ngisebenza iminyaka mingaki qale nabantu abasebenza iminyaka eminingi
yebo
lehle
ngokuya step by step kunjalo
ngokama-relocations bese nibuzana nodwa ukuthi
uright nikosebenzela eJohannesburg
othi yena hayi ngifuna ukusebenza
noma ngabe-ke yebo
Ningakhohlwa kwilist yenu nokufaka ama-clock numbers wenu. Bengenawo kuleya ndawo ye-clock number ngicabanga ukuthi i-ID iyasebenza kakhulu lapho. Yabo uma nenze kanjalo kulapho kungazuba khona iy'nkinga zokuthi asikutholi kwi-system yabo.
Futhi ikhulu lento leyo ukuthi CCMA siphelile.
hayi umzwile ushilo lapha ukuthi vele ibivele ngeke isebenze lo udoti ozondileya idingo sengekho indaba yesiyema yabona nje lento ye-CCMA ayizokusebenza
Washo kukhulu usiqala ngathi indaba sisemelo yayikho lonto leyo.
U-CCMA ku-Labour Department labo bantu bowu-2 yibona abafeyile kakhulu i-working class e-South Africa cause ama-inspectors athatha ama-bribes awanandaba nani kube sekuba ngu-bargaining council ne-union yakhe engenandaba futhi nezikhalo zabasebenzi phela kubaleke ukuthi bangenelwe imali abona abantu abasenza ukuthi sibe nogqozi nofuqufuqu lokuthi sisize abantu abamnyama cause sibone ukuthi baxakekile okwangempela yabo